Hey friends, if you wish to fix DISM error 14098, the component store has been corrupted on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. First of all, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane and then type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Here's what it does. It will repair the component files the way DISM could not do it. It's similar except that it will use the image from the system. Now, if this does not help, then you have no other option but to reset your computer. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then we can go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select recovery. Click on reset PC, select remove everything, and then finally select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.